there, this is Doug Levy from TapGoods. Just wanted to share some new features that we launched. I'm going to share 5 with you during this video. So the first has to do with flat pricing. So in addition to pricing based on time, like day, week, or month, with TapGoods Pro you can also price based on flat pricing. You can define your own flat prices. They can be, for instance, a 5-day price or a festival price or a holiday price. We've offered that before. What we did with this release was enhance that feature. So now not only can you, for a given item, have multiple types of pricing, including flat pricing, and define a default, now for the order, you can also toggle between different types of price. So for instance, on this order for this art festival, we have 3 items, and they're in here right now is time-based pricing per day. But I can drag down and I can say, you know what, on this order, since it's this art festival, I'm going to price those based on festival pricing, and the pricing will change across all the items on the order. So that's the first feature. The second one that I'm going to share with you is related to item-specific taxes. So in the system previously, we had a variety of ways to include tax, sales tax, variable tax, that kind of thing. But some rental companies and some jurisdictions have taxes that are specific to pieces of inventory. So for instance, if we take this item, I'm going to go into edit the item, and you can see taxes here, and I can add a tax for that item specifically, for instance, this machinery tax. Or if I need to create a new tax, an item-specific tax, I can do that right here. I can name the tax, I can define it as $1 or percent, input that information, and then I'll be able to select that as well. So that is item-specific taxes. The next 3 features I'm going to share with you all relate to barcoded inventory or serialized inventory. So the first one I'm going to share allows you, for a particular piece of inventory, you can see this chair here, and then I was under serialized inventory, and then I'm going to click on a particular serial number, and I can see for that particular item, that one unit, what the history of that item is. When it was added to inventory, checked out, put in maintenance. We actually had a lot of that before. What we've done is enhance that, including enabling you to click on an order that used this particular piece of inventory. So if you notice, for instance, that there was damage to the item, you can go and you can look and see precisely when that particular unit of inventory was used. The second feature enhancement I'm going to share with you related to serialized inventory is a new search function that we have. So for instance, I'm going to take that same unit of inventory, that infinity chair, and now I can do a search under items, and you can see if I input that search, I can find that particular piece of inventory. So if you know the serial number, you can find exactly what item that is. You can either scan that in, or you can paste or type in the serial number. The third feature that I'm going to share, enhancement related to serialized inventory, is what we call quick scan. So here under the pick list, we've got multiple items, and including some serialized items. Previously you would click on the item and then scan in that item. Now if you have multiple serialized items on a given order, you can use quick scan to just scan anything related to the order, and be it a particular item that you already know or not, and it'll be able to identify which items associated with the serial number and count that inventory as you're checking it out or checking it in. So that is all I'm going to share with you today. We've got a couple more features that relate specifically to Canadian businesses that we'll share in a separate video. Hope you enjoy.